Okay, I've now made some physical changes to the casing that I'm going to work with. So I've got the camera pointing forward, and you can see the rest of it is I've hot glued it to the side of the motor here. And you can see the camera's pointing to the front. It's pointing at a nice angle that way towards the garage, towards the front of the house. And we've got it yellow wire. You can see it's connected here, and it's connected to port 1 and 2 back here. And then we can see the power cable leads us to at the top here. That is about all the changes I've made so far. Hopefully this works out better.